We out playing in the snow. Yep, we're watching snowblowers. Let's see what Daddy has gotten himself into. Daddy's made quite a mess. Yeah. Oh, is it blowing? Should we show everybody? See, these are our stairs that you can't see. The stairs going up. Yeah, do you want to see the video? Are we making a video? And this is our front yard. Yeah. Yep, and that's across the street. That's our sled that we played in for a little bit. That's Daddy.
Hello.
Where's the little boy? Mikey. You should remember how you like to eat. Ah! Oh, do you want to see the video?
Right. You want to see the snowblower?
Okay, let's. Come here. You want to watch?
You can walk over there if you want. In fact, Mikey, you want to ride?
I'm gonna go for a ride with Daddy. Here comes Daddy.
You want to ride? You want to ride over to the snowblower and take a look?
Yeah.
Okay, hop in. Hop in, buddy. You ready? Okay, put your bottom down. You ready? I'm gonna ride over to the snowblower.
Whee!
So stand up. Just to give you a sense of how deep this is.
Oh.